In this video, we're going to be linking a product item in Lightspeed, counted by Lightspeed, to a campaign that's in Maralytics. Where we want to go first is into the back office and click on products in the side menu. From here, we want to create a POS category. Now, the category we can have as promotions or, whatever is best for the venue owner in what they like to have it as one of the side menus in the POS system. Here you can see I've got marketing as one and we've got promotions, but I would just do one so it's not so confusing. The next thing is a product. So we're going to be adding a product, and where I would be going from here is actually starting with creating a campaign. We want to click on here, create a campaign. We're going to call it a Facebook ad free glass of wine. Click on free item, put in the dates that it applies to, create the ad. So we're creating the campaign in Maralytics. This is the campaign ID. We're then going to put in our cost type. It's a one-time cost. And you would just be suiting this to whatever price you're doing in Facebook. We're going to now add and continue, and this is where we're going to be connecting it to the POS. Now the POS is going to be Lightspeed, and the campaign name was Free Glass of Wine, which is 556. From here, this is where we will create it. We're going to now connect it to the point of sale. We grant access. And this is creating the link between Maralytics and Counter, so we can actually pull the data or pull the transaction from there. So here you can see 556, it is true and true. So we have the campaign completely set up. Now we're going to add the product. So we go in and add a product saying Facebook ad free glass of wine. We add the category and we're going to put it into marketing. Sale price is 0, GST, no tax, and add the product. So now we've actually created a button in the point of sale system, but we want to add a little bit more information in here. So if we go to the product, because now we actually want to link it to the campaign. So we've added the button in the point of sale and now we're linking it to the campaign. So we give the button or the ID, so Facebook ad free glass of wine. Okay, so just checking that number, so it's 556, and then we're going to put that free glass of wine 556. And so we want to have this hashtag with the campaign ID in the product number, in the product name. We're also going to add it down to the SKU and then into the description. So it needs to be in all of these 4 areas. Once we've done that, we can actually save the product. And if we go back to the product menu, you will be able to see that it is now in here. Now what we're going to do is go straight into the POS. We're just waiting to get in here. If we have a look at marketing, we have our free glass of wine. So we can put that in there with a few other items, and we can see now it's been added in here as the free glass of wine. There's a 0 cost, so it's not going to affect the customer. We do a checkout, all done. And if we go and have a look in the Maralytics system, we can see that here the free item has been featured, and we can go into the actual item and see that it has come in through the POS integration. So that's all we need to do for adding a product into the Lightspeed, counted by Lightspeed POS system. Thank you.